Hello friends, I am Praveen. Welcome to my channel Stenographer a White Collar Job. Be ready for the dictation. 5 4 3 2 1 start. In our view, there is no substantial difference between the terms compensation and damages. When such a complaint related to any service is filed, the law lays down that a copy of the complaint has to be sent to the opposite party within a period of 30 days, and if the opposite party on receipt of copy of the complaint denies or disputes the allegation or fails to represent his case within the time given by the district form, the dispute has to be settled by the district form on the basis of the evidence placed before it by the complainant and the opposite party, or on the basis of the evidence produced by the complainant where the opposite party has not adduced any evidence or failed to take any action to represent his case. The president officer of the consumer redressal agencies at the district level, state level and national level is a legally trained person. The other members, many or many not be having experience in law. Next para. The act contemplates speedy and effective remedy, but takes care to mandate compliance with the principles of natural justice and rendering of decisions after considering the evidence on record. The act fully ensures procedural due process, the opposite party is heard, evidence is considered and finding is recorded only after inquiry. In every complaint related to medical negligence, as a general rule, it cannot be said that comprehensive evidence, irrespective of the nature of questions thrown open, must be brought on record for recording a finding as to the alleged negligence. If the questions raised are simple and do not warrant evidence, the same must be decided by the consumer redressal agency. But if complex questions are raised necessitating elaborate evidence of a highly technical nature and examination of witnesses, especially expert witnesses, is going to be a time consuming process, the redressal agency will have little choice but to ask the parties to approach the regular civil court for adjudication. Anything more than this we are not inclined to express, it is neither possible nor appropriate to lay down any specific guidelines to categorize complaints for expeditious inquiry under the Act and adjudication by ordinary civil courts. Whether damages are awarded by a civil court for medical negligence or damages in the form of compensation are awarded by a consumer redressal agency, there must be a finding as to